Hello students, today we will make some more lasers without recording transactions into journal entry. Okay? First we will identify in which transaction or which accounts are affected. Here is first transaction, business start with cash. So there are two accounts. First is cash and second one is capital. Everyone know cash will be debit and capital will be credit. Next transaction, deposit into bank. So bank and cash. In this transaction, bank will be debit and cash will be credit. Next transaction, goods purchase rupees 50,000. So here are two accounts. First is purchase and second is cash. Purchase will be debited and cash will be credited. Next transaction, salary paid 14,000. So salary and cash. Here cash will be credit and salary will be debited. Next, rent paid by check. So here is rent and bank. Rent and bank credit, rent debit. Next transaction, withdrew from bank. So we have withdrew cash from the bank. So there are two transactions, two lasers, cash and bank. Cash debit, bank credit. Next transaction is paid to Mohan. We have paid to Mohan, so Mohan will be debit and cash will be credit. So with the help of these accounts, I will try to make two lasers, cash and bank. This is debit side and this is credit side. So if cash account in the first transaction, cash account is debited. So transaction goes to debit side of cash and the name of the opposite account. So date is April 2nd. In cash account, debit side of cash account, we will write name of capital. To capital account. Amount is rupees 6 lakh. Next, deposit into bank. Here cash is credited, so it will goes to credit side of cash account. April 7. We have deposit into bank, so by bank account. Amount is rupees 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Next transaction is goods purchase rupees 25,000. Here purchase, here cash account again credited. So we will write name of purchase in the credit side. 10th by purchase account. By purchase account. It's 25,000. Next, salary paid. Once again cash account is credited here. So we will write name of salary. 14 by salary account. It's 14,000. Next, rent paid by check. So there is no cash. So we will not record this transaction in cash account. Next, withdrew from bank. Here cash account debit. So we will write in debit side on 18 to bank account. It's 50,000. Last transaction, paid to Mohan. Cash is credited, so we will write it in credit side of cash book by Mohan. Rupees 30,000. At the end, we will find out the balance of cash account. This is 6,50,000 and total of this side is 3,55,000, 3,69,000, 3,69,000 out of 6,50,000 we will deduct 0,001,8 2,81,000 2,81,000 April 30 by balance carried down and the total is 6,50,000. This balance goes to 1st of next month. So on May 1st we will write to balance brought down 2,81,000. Next account we are going to purchase is bank account. In this account we will write all the transactions related with bank. So in first transaction there is no bank. In second transaction bank is debited, so it will goes to debit side of bank. Date is April 7. Opposite to bank it is cash, so we will record name of cash rupees 3 lakh. Next transaction no bank, here is bank again. We have paid rent on 17 by bank. We have paid salary or rent. We have paid rent. It's 15,000. And now here bank again. So bank account is credit, so we will write it in credit side of bank. By cash account. Date is 20. Date is 18 and amount is 50,000. So at the end we will find out the balance of bank account. We make total of debit side, it is 3 lakh, and total of credit side will be made in rough, so it's 65,000. Out of 3 lakh we have deducted 65,000, so it's 2,35,000. April 30 by balance carried down and the total is rupees 2 lakh. This balance goes to 1st of next month, May 1st, to balance brought down 2,35,000. So here we can make lasers without preparing journal entries. Thank you, students.